The machine has comprehensive functions. A single machine for multiple purposes. Firstly, the capsule plate is stripped. Then the capsule is opened to take the internal materials. And finally filtered. Plate stripping and capsule opening can be operated independently. In the worldwide, this type of machine is fully in line with pharmaceutical industry requirements of practical production and is suitable for capsule preparation workshops up to now. For more details, please feel free to contact us.